Okay, what's up, ladies and gents? This is Moto Noir, and today I'm going to show you how to back your motorcycle out of your motorcycle garage. It's pretty interesting, right? There you go. Just slowly but surely, carefully back the motorcycle out. Don't knock anything. Here's a tricky little corner here. Got a lot going on over here, but oh my god, made it through. Oh boy, oh, knocked that. I knocked that a little bit, but we're okay. And we're through. Wow, we did it. We did it together. This is special. This is very, very special. Yo.
What was that movie of that girl that she would go to her house and she would be running in the forest?
I don't know what you're talking about. You're crazy. What are you talking about? I don't know. Okay, and now we're off. So now we're just gonna head back to my apartment. From Dirty Billy Garage. Take a little bit of a long way. But it's gonna get us home nice, safe, and sound. Come on, guys. Come on. My turn. Thank you. So the guys and I, we're just hanging out for a little bit. A good time, not a long time. Get around these guys. Too slow. As you can tell, I don't have a lot of patience for slowness. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that's where you walk. Oh, okay. I was wondering. Crazy people. Okay, welcome to New York. So now we're just traveling down Graham Avenue. Welcome to Graham Avenue. It's not Electric Avenue. You stop. Thank you. But it is Graham Avenue. I love how everyone just thinks they're going to beat me. Yeah. Not happening today. Now, is this a motorcyclist or is this a scooter? This is a motorcyclist. Yeah. Sweet. I'll follow this person. Oh, they're on a Vitpillen 401. Sweet. It's a dope bike. I love that shit. Good for her. I assumed her that person's gender. Oh, jeez. I've taken enough corporate courses that I should never assume anything and always use non-gendered pronouns, but you know. Anyways, I'm going to cut that part out of the video. No need for all that. Alright, good. Just heading home, minding my business, going the speed limit. You really have to keep your head on a swivel here, because all these pedestrians are, how do you say, morons. They are stupido. So you should just fully expect everyone to walk right out in front of you at any point in time. Sometimes you gotta let them know you're coming. Ay caramba. Ay caramba. Come on, people. Oh, jeez. And anyway, that'll conclude my video on how to get home from Dirty Billy Garage. I'm gonna be heading right back. I'm just going to pick something up from my apartment, and then I'm gonna be heading right back over there. So, catch you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye-bye.